It's finally a winter storm here. It's actually a lot of snow. Well, I gotta get the cold start. Well, it's already been kind of warmed up as you can tell, but. All right. So I've been waiting for a good snowstorm here for a while, and this looks like it, and it's actually starting to snow right now again, and we've already gotten, I think, something like 40 centimeters, so it's pretty good snow, and I'm gonna take the Ranger out and let's see how the tires perform. They have 305 wide BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, the KO2s. Good tire. From last winter, I do remember that the tires performed well, but last winter we didn't get really a snowfall like this that I can really remember. This is one of the better ones I've seen in a couple of years for sure. So anyway, let's get out here and see what we'll see. Apparently the roads are a mess, and I saw some videos from Jordan, a guy with the lifted supercharged Tacoma, because he's working today on the road. His job, he has to drive around. Anyway, he saw a lot of funny things going on, so I think I'll set the GoPro up on the windshield and let's go explore the winter wonderland. Main road's not bad at all. Wow. Let's see, yeah, so the highway looks about the same as the road I'm on here. Probably a little bit better. This is crazy. It's a lot of snow. Gauge 4-wheel drive. Turn traction control off. Let's see how this thing performs. Let it turn off. Come on. All right. Unreal. No struggle. Wow. What a difference. Understeer. Come on, truck. There we go. Snow covered. call it quits there. As for the messing around and all that, just because you actually have a class to get to. And I feel like I've done enough messing around in the snow. As you can see, the Ranger is doing perfectly fine. The tires are fantastic, and basically two-wheel drive is like Hoonigan mode. Four-wheel drive is, you know, you gotta get to where you're going. But then I found out four-wheel drive can also be Hoonigan mode, because I can do power slides and stuff. That was a lot of fun. I was kind of getting up in the high RPMs there, which is something I normally don't do, and it was popping and stuff. The MBRP catback sounds so good. So yeah, hopefully I got some good angles. I really don't know, because I was just kind of setting the camera down, and it's hard to set stuff down in the snow and stuff like that. But I just wanted to come out and, you know, mess around in this snow day here in Canada with the Ranger. Man, this thing looks like a proper snow truck right now. I got the snow caked in the rims. And oh yeah, it put in work. It definitely put in work to get through the snow. Unfortunately, I guess, kind of, Dylan's trapped in his house right now. His little Mazda can't get down his road because they haven't plowed it yet. And most of the parking lots are plowed like this, so you can just kind of drift around, but it's nothing to, like, you know, properly test the truck with. And as well, I don't have a recovery vehicle here, so I didn't want to go, you know, venture off into places that weren't plowed at all. You know, that's why I kind of messed around here with that little hump there. Now hopefully this thing will get me home and we won't see any accidents on the way. It is cold, man, holy. I don't think it's supposed to snow tomorrow, but if tomorrow does happen to be another snow day, then maybe there'll be another snow video. But it's also January, so I'm sure I'll have some snow videos to come. So, and if you have any ideas with what to do in the snow, drop them down below, because I don't really know. As soon as I got in the truck, I kind of struggled to find somewhere to go. And I did remember that this is a big empty parking lot most of the time, so I came here and it worked out for me. But like I said, if you want to see anything specific, drop a comment down below. So I'm gonna switch you guys to this camera now. My clutch probably hates me. So the clutch, I operate it differently in the snow. I don't know if it's my own doing or if it actually feels different because of how the tires, you know, catch traction on top of the snow now or what, but I noticed myself just dropping the clutch more in the snow than slowly releasing it. And I just think that's because the tires have a lower threshold of, you know, slipping. So yeah, if I just drop the clutch, there, you know, it's gonna spin anyway, so might as well just let it all the way out, let it spin, then hold it. I think, I don't know. This car is oh my god. I thought they just plowed around this car. Poor guy. Oh no. Just like that. It's kind of normal again. Alright, gonna put some gas in just in case we get some more snow or it goes freezing below. What am I talking about? Or it starts freezing. What am I saying? If the temperatures drop a significant amount overnight, I normally like having a lot of gas in my tank because that stops condensation from forming in the tank, and then you get water in the engine. And I don't know why I couldn't say that. The warm starts in the gas stations are the best. Oh, I'll show you guys. I cleared the snow off my tonneau cover. I am soaked now. I don't know if that was worth it, honestly. Okay, well, I have almost a full tank. I have to get to class. I have like 7 minutes to get to class, so. All right, so I forgot to film the outro to this video. I got editing and realized I didn't film the outro. I was just too caught up in the moment, I guess. But anyway, the Ranger did an excellent job, as I'm sure I've said 1,000,001 times. Snow doesn't really affect it too much. I almost got stuck at that one point, but that's literally it. And it's been snowing in a few days, you know, between the video I originally filmed it now. It's really confusing, I'm sorry. But anyway, the Ranger's been really good, and four-wheel drive is just like overpowered for the snow. It shouldn't be this good in the snow. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed, and we're hoping for some more snow, so Jordan, Dylan, and I, and maybe Emmett too, are gonna get together, play around in the snow together, and you know, we'll see what happens, but that's hoping for the future. But with all that being said, thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.